Hello friends, this is Srijna. Today in this video, I am going to show you a frock which is stitched from an old shirt. This is the shirt which I has taken to stitch a frock. This shirt I converted into this beautiful frock. Here I use this red color lace, buttons and velvet sticker for designing purpose. For this front I gave slit. With top stitch I closed bottom slit. First fold the shirt into half vertically. Now make a mark at 14 inches from the bottom of the shirt and cut the fabric. Now bottom part is ready. Now we will see the bodice with the leftover fabric. Mark length as 10 inches, width as 6.5 inches and cut the fabric. Now start marking from the folded side of the fabric. Mark neck width as 2 inches and neck deep as 3 inches. For the shoulders, mark it 2 inches. From there, mark half of the armhole length, which is 4 inches. Here chest length is 5 inches. It is 1/4 part of the bodice. 1.5 inches I has taken for seam allowance. Now mark it 1 inch inwards and draw a curve for armhole. In the same way, mark ½ inch inwards and draw a curve for neck. Mark ½ inch for the shoulder slope. Now start trimming on the marked lines. Now I will show you how to stitch. Place the lace at 2 inches left from the center in the front panel of the bodice. Now give top stitch. In the same way, do it other side also. Now place velvet sticker center left and give top stitch. Now I will attach shoulders. Place both front and back panels right and right and give stitch. Now for the neckline, take the bare strip, place it towards wrong side of the fabric and stretch it. Now turn the bare strip towards right side and give top stitch. Using bare strip, in the same way, stitch for armhole also. Now for the bottom, stitch pockets on the both right as well as left side. Pocket shape is up to you. You can choose any shape you like. Now attach both bodies on the bottom part. Place it right and right and give stitch in the middle. Now with the small pleats, give stitch from the center towards raw edges. If you are not comfortable to fold, you can secure with pins. In the same way, do it to the other side also. Now take back panel of the bodice and back panel of the bottom part. Place it right and right and give stitch with small pleats. Now give the top stitch. Now attach back knots to the back part of the frock. Now frock is almost all completed. Finally, I will join sides with half-inch seam allowance. Here, place the both right sides together. Give stitch towards wrong side. I hope you all liked it. Thanks for watching this video. Please do share, subscribe and like.